Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knowledge Hub. Today's topic is how to get success and achieve more in life. This is lecture 2 of 3 lecture series. I am Achal Kumar Sharma presenting the lecture. In the last lecture, we discussed that to get success and achieve more in life, we have to live life by design. Means we must have some meaningful purpose in our life and some dreams related to the purpose. We must have some plans to work constantly over it to solve the purpose. Now in this session, we will discuss what is goal, its definition, what is a SMART goal, and how to make plan to achieve the goal. Now we know that each and every person wants to be happy and have some wishes. He thinks that if these wishes are fulfilled, he will be happy. Suppose someone wants to have a car, an air conditioner, or wants to become an IAS officer or a leader like others, then we may say that all these are his wishes. A person may have a number of wishes, but the most strongest wish is called desire, which he wants to fulfill at priority. This is the difference between wish and desire. Now to accomplish his desire, he may have number of thoughts in his minds. All these are called ideas. But we have to remember that a desire cannot be fulfilled until it is changed into goal. And an idea will not work till it is acted upon by making a plan. Now, what is goal? Goal is something that you want to achieve in future. When you add time limit to fulfill a desire, this desire gets converted into goal. It means goal is desired result envisioned by a person or a group, and it is accompanied by an effort aimed at achievement. Goal includes plan and commitment that will ensure that ambition is fulfilled. Now we shall discuss what types of goal. There are three types of goal: outcome goal, process goal, and performance goal. Outcome goals are actually the desired results. These categories are divided keeping in view how much control we have over it. We have most control over process goal and least control over outcome goal. So we should focus on process goal. Now what is SMART goal? An SMART goal is that goal which is specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. Specific means you should be very clear in your mind what is your goal and why you are setting this goal, how you may achieve this goal. Secondly, goal should be measurable. You should know that how much progress you have done, you have achieved towards achieving your goal. If your goal is not measurable, you will not be able to achieve the goal. Third thing is goal should be attainable. You must assess yourself and set such a goal which is within your capacity, and you should be very clear that this goal can be achieved or not. Fourth, goal should be relevant. Your goal should have some meaning in your life. After achieving the goal, there must be some change in your life. The last and fifth thing is goal should be time bound. There should be time limit when the goal should be fulfilled. Because without having time limit, the goal cannot be achieved. All these criteria are to help focus your efforts and increase the chances of achieving the goal. After understanding what is goal, what is a smart goal, and what type of goal should be set by us, we come to the most important part of making our plan to achieve the goal. I have already stated earlier that action plan is also a part of goal setting. Most easier way of setting the goal and action plan is to prepare a goal planner worksheet consisting of various steps. Number 1, what is goal? Write down your goal on your worksheet and remember that it should be a smart goal. Means it should be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic and time bound. Second thing is deadline. You must fix some deadline when the goal should be achieved. Write down the deadline date to achieve the goal, but be realistic with your time frame. Third thing is answer the question why this goal. Write down the reasons why you have set this goal and what would be the impact of achieving the goal to you or your company. This answer will give you the positive energy to work forward achieving the goal. Next thing is change habit. Change those habits which create hindrance in your way to achieve the goal. Develop some habits that keep you on the track. Read your action plan daily and imagine the problems in your way and how these can be eliminated. Next, write down the action plan. Action plan may consist of various steps. Write down all these plans and divide larger action tasks into smaller steps. Arrange them in order of completion date-wise. Write down start date and completion date of each and every step. Remember that none step should be left and these should be written in order of action serially. Means which task to be completed first and so on. There may be various problems in the way of completion the task. Imagine those problems and write down the way out of these problems. Next, set the reminders. Set reminders in mobile or laptop or any other way for each activity, startup date and end date. It will help you to complete the task in given time frame. After creating this action plan. Now you have to start work on this action plan. In this lecture, we discussed about what is the difference between desire and goal, definition of goal, setting of a SMART goal, how to create goal planner worksheet. Now in third and last lecture of this series, we will discuss various factors affecting your action plan to achieve your goal. And mantras hidden in the word success. Have a good day. Thank you very much.